Did you see that sentiment score? Plus 0.80 for films is a significant spike above our historical baseline, indicating a surge in positive reactions. Combined with a momentum of plus 0.26, this suggests that audiences are not just feeling good, they are actively engaging with films right now. Our API returns nuanced insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, helping you decode audience emotions. For instance, if you're developing a recommendation engine, you can leverage this data to suggest films that resonate with current viewer sentiments, enhancing user experience and engagement. To dive deeper into how our API can elevate your projects, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this moment in film sentiment together.